Before you start, prepare the necessary tools. For this particular work, the only tool needed is a flat screwdriver. Step 1. Press and hold the buttons on the edges of the remote key to release the cover, then carefully remove the cover. Step 2. Once the cover is removed, the mechanical key, or the key blade, is exposed. Remove the mechanical key. Step 3. Twist a flat-bladed screwdriver in the position, as shown in the video, to separate the two halves of the remote control. Step 4. Carefully insert the screwdriver in the position as shown, to open the remote control. Do not touch the battery contacts or the printed circuit board with the screwdriver. Step 5. Carefully remove the battery with the screwdriver. Step 6. Install a new battery, 3V CR2032, with the plus facing downward. Step 7. Assemble the two halves of the remote control. Step 8. Install the mechanical key or key blade, then install the cover.